Once upon a time, in the vibrant world of Dreamland, there lived a group of lively and adventurous toys. Among them was Barbie, a beautiful and confident doll who had a heart full of compassion and a mind filled with imagination. Barbie was not just an ordinary doll, she possessed the ability to bring joy and happiness to all those around her. In Dreamland, toys came to life when children fell asleep, and they had their own society governed by their own set of rules. Barbie lived in a charming dollhouse, nestled in a picturesque corner of Dreamland. Her house was adorned with colorful decorations, and her bedroom was filled with an array of fashionable outfits. One moonlit night, as Barbie lay on her cozy bed, she noticed a flickering light outside her window. Curiosity got the better of her, and she decided to investigate. She followed the glowing light through the enchanted forest, where she discovered a hidden portal leading to an unknown realm. Stepping through the portal, Barbie found herself in a magical kingdom called Fairytopia. It was a realm inhabited by fairies, each with their own unique powers. Barbie was greeted by Elina, a young fairy who possessed the ability to communicate with animals. Elina explained that Fairytopia was in great danger. The evil fairy Laverna had stolen the magical crystals that provided harmony and balance to their world. Barbie, with her compassionate heart, couldn't ignore the plea for help. She joined forces with Elina and her fairy friends to retrieve the stolen crystals and restore peace to Fairytopia. Along their perilous journey, Barbie and her friends encountered numerous challenges, including treacherous paths, mischievous creatures, and Laverna's relentless henchmen. With determination and teamwork, Barbie and her friends managed to overcome each obstacle in their path. They used their individual talents and the power of friendship to triumph over darkness. Along the way, Barbie discovered her own hidden power, the ability to spread love and kindness, which proved to be a vital asset in their quest. Finally, after a series of epic adventures, Barbie and her friends confronted Laverna in a climactic showdown. With the combined strength of their unity, they were able to retrieve the stolen crystals and restore Fairytopia to its former glory. Laverna, realizing the error of her ways, underwent a change of heart and joined Barbie and her friends in their mission to bring joy and happiness to the world. As a token of gratitude, the fairies bestowed upon Barbie a magical necklace that symbolized her bravery and selflessness. With a bittersweet farewell, Barbie bid adieu to her newfound friends and returned to Dreamland, forever cherishing the memories of her extraordinary adventure in Fairytopia. From that day forward, Barbie continued to use her powers and talents to inspire children all around the world. Whether through her fashion sense, her compassion, or her imaginative play, Barbie reminded everyone that they had the power to make a difference and create their own enchanting stories. And so, Barbie's story became a legend in Dreamland, inspiring generations of toys and children alike to dream big and believe in the power of love and friendship.